guys, so more confirmation has come for this trade, so I'll enter more opportunity right here. 0.05. Good. Enter more positions here. So I have this position. I'm risking all the profit that I made today on this trade. This is going to move straight to profit. There will not be much rejection, so I'm going to explain this trade to you. I even shared this in my Telegram group. Here is it right here. Buy gold at 2360. Okay, so this is our entry point right here. So let me explain this trade to you guys. Even at midnight trading, this kind of setup. So first thing first, this market move all the way down. We pick it from this angle right here in the afternoon to this side, and this is a zone where this market can reject. So quickly, when you go to the lower time frame, okay, you can see all this rejection that this candle, this particular market is in an oversold area that we should be expecting a buying opportunity. So quickly, we go to the 15-minute time frame, and we had this trend line here. So as we had this trend line and we have this as a resistance, I want to make this place as a resistance. This particular place that I put the red line, it's acting as a resistance zone for this market. So what I was expecting to enter this trade is for a candle to break this resistance to the upside, and this is where it happened at this particular candle here. Let me zoom it out. At this particular candle here, it happens at this particular candle here. So I quickly enter this market right here, and I send the signal to the group for the as entry price is 2360 right here. Okay, so this is how I got this signal. If you learn something, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notification for more video from me like this. So we'll be waiting for this trade to see how it will go in our direction. So let's go and come back in some minutes or hours later to check on this particular trade right here. So let's go and come. So as I told you guys, there will not be any much rejection, so you can see this move straight into profit. Okay, so this is how I analyze my market and get the right thing in the market. Okay, the reason why I told you guys there will not be much rejection is because this is already below or above the trend line, and the entry is just where the trend line is. Okay, that is why it give me carry that there will not be much rejection. So we can see we are moving into massive profit right here. So take profit one is about to hit, which is at 2364 right there, and the second take profit is very huge. You can see we have almost 1:6 or 10, 1:10 raised to reward. Okay, so those who have been trading SMC thing, they are the only people that can get huge risk to reward trade. We can also get it right here. So don't panic as this rejection is coming. It's going to move into profit massively. So let's just wait for this to play out well. So let's go and come back in some minutes back again. So guys, in some hours back I slept off and I wake up. This is what we have right here. We move into massive profits, and you can see how this trading strategy is very powerful. As I said, if you want to learn this, just join my Telegram channel. The link is under the video description, and send me direct message on how we can get into this. Okay guys, take care and see you in my next video.